Hey y'all, it's me Isabella and we're back with another motherfucking video, bitch. So today we're going to be making brownies. Woo, ding ding ding, got it right. So it is currently like 10 o'clock at night and my ass is making brownies because I need a video. So I can't film it during the day because my family is definitely obnoxious. So I might as well be obnoxious at night and wake them up. So we're going to be making brownies. I got the pan out because I wasn't trying to be loud as fuck at night and get my ass beat. And if I'm talking weird, if you can't tell, I have a big ass bump on the side of my face. Yeah. There's like, the dentist fucked up my mouth. So yeah. So let me get our ingredients. We're going to go to the fridge. Oop. Exposure. Isabella. We're going to go to the fridge. We got 2 eggs. We got 2 eggs. Because it says, what the fuck? Cake like brownie, fudge like brownie, bitch. What the fuck? Okay, well I guess I need the other pan because, what the fuck? There we go. I don't know what this is fucking talking about. Wait. Which do I put it on? Wait. Huh? Preheat for 30. $350. I definitely. Okay, watch this. Me not knowing how to use a freaking stuff. But make sure. My family's so fucking annoying. Okay, now I can fucking preheat the shit finally. Bake, $350. It's gonna be done in 9 fucking minutes, which is gonna take me that long to actually figure this out. What's fudge like brown? Guys, should I just like mix it in the little pan? I don't want to get a bowl. I don't want to grab a bowl, so I think we might just mix it in this. I don't think that's safe. Okay. That might not be safe. Definitely not seeing a bowl I can mix this in. So, I'm sorry, family, but y'all finna. I'm gonna get yelled at. Because I know I'm gonna leave this kitchen a mess, so. Let me try just mixing it in here. Okay, this is gonna be so bad. Oh, wow. So we're definitely just gonna mix it in here because Isabella. Not gonna find it. I'm too. Honestly, I think these are to cut meat, but not today, bitch. Okay, so why the fuck aren't you cutting? Okay, so I really don't recommend this to make it in the pan because honestly don't think this is gonna work out, but oh wow, we'll see, right? But I was gonna put Oreos in this, now I can't because I have to make it in here. Okay, so we're gonna put okay. So we're gonna take. So today we're gonna take 2 eggs. You guys about this fucking week. So on Monday, my ass went to the dentist because I went on. I think I was supposed to mix those. I went on Thursday of last week because my mouth was hurting and they're like, oh, we have to do a root canal, ha ha ha, bad gums Isabella. I mean bad teeth Isabella. So it's like, okay, so they started the fucking root canal and then the fucking dentists were like, okay, well come back November 8th. Guys, November 8th is my birthday. Like, bitch, I'm not gonna come back my birthday. And so my little ass was like, okay, I'll come back on my fucking birthday, right? Okay, Isabella, what the fuck are you doing? Please explain. This is not going good. So I was like, okay, like whatever, I'll do it. So then I was like, just wait. I was gonna wait for my appointment and so I was like, okay, well, I'll be back on my birthday then. Like, or whatever, I don't care. And so then, so-and-so, the weekend went by, right? The weekend went by. And then, ha ha ha, surprise, Isabella, your teeth literally are horrible. So, I had to go back on Monday. And they should have just gave me medicine when I was there the first time. Right? Okay, well, these bitches didn't. And so now, is this vegetable oil? Yeah. And so my ass was like, okay. So I go and they give me medicine, right? Okay, well, the medicine they fucking gave me isn't fucking working. So I have to go fucking back and get more fucking med. Well, they called it in today, and my mom went to go get it. And my mom, not knowing my mom, she's paid $100 on freaking medicine because what's insurance, right? And because like my insurance didn't cover it, I guess. I don't know. And so then yeah. So my mom spent $100 on freaking medication for my fucking teeth. And so yeah. This is kind of coming out how I need it to, but not really. So yeah. So that's my story time about how my week went. My teeth still fucking hurt. But who am I to complain? Nobody. And I was gonna go out of town this weekend, but that didn't happen either. Oh, y'all, I'm officially fucking stupid. Okay, so I just realized I should put more water. Okay, Isabella, just breathe. Let me get the little twisty thing. Okay, let me show you guys what's happening down here. Oh my god. Isabella. Guys, I'm not a chef. Oh my god. My kitchen is so dirty. Literally chocolate flew everywhere. Okay, wait, I think I should put more water in it. No! 1/4 cup. It needs more oil because 1/4 cup is bigger than 1/2. And so I didn't put enough oil. Wow. So I'm definitely sitting here editing, realizing who the fuck taught me how to make brownies. Like, you're really a fucking dumbass, Isabella. Wow, you're a freaking genius. So I'm gonna just guess. I don't know why I just did that. Okay. So, I found out what's wrong. Needed more oil. So let me take this thing. Oh my god, I cannot do this. Okay, so if anybody walks into my kitchen from my family, I did not do this. Oh, this is literally a disaster. A literal disaster. You guys hear that? It's a fucking disaster. Okay, so honestly, I probably won't eat these brownies because I probably won't trust them. So I'll let everybody else in my family eat them besides me. They're not gonna know what happened to those brownies till they see my video. Ha ha ha! I'm such an evil person in this house. I couldn't find a bowl to mix it in. It's not my fault. Oh my god. I think I like fixed my fuck up. I really think I did. Okay, so we have this thingy that like it's like could be a scraper thingy. So this is what I'm taking to scrape it. Let me show y'all what I'm doing right now. You guys probably think I'm I'll never get married because I can't cook. I could cook, but obviously not brownies. This is actually kind of turning out like okay. I really hope none of my family walks in right now. This is so fucking crazy. I've never done this. Like, I really need to clean my kitchen. Okay. Okay, let me even this out and let me like put it in there. No, I'm gonna put Oreos in it. Like, fuck it. Oh my god, guys, I've already fucked this up enough. Like, I need to chill. This oil's like in my head. I'm thinking like, ha ha ha, stupid bitch. But literally, okay, well, okay, the brownie mix tastes like brownies. I did that right. But these are my brownies. They're kind of dirty, but it's okay. We love a dirty brownie. My hands are dirty. I'm dirty. So let's put this in for 30 to 30. We're gonna put them in for 30 minutes. Okay. I think I did it. So I'll be back when my kitchen's clean. So I just remembered I wanted to put Oreos in it. So I'm gonna do that. So you know, you gotta get your double stuff. So I don't think this is safe. I don't think you're supposed to take out something that's already in and then put it back in. I'm gonna just take it out like this. So I can just be quick with it. I'm only gonna put like 4 in there. Like on the side. Okay. The sister brownies are ready to go back in. I'm not so healthy. I'm not supposed to be eating cookies because they're too hard for my teeth. But yeah. Catch me still doing it. It's so hot. Yeah. I'll see you guys when my brownies are done. So y'all, I took the brownies out. This is what they look like. Yeah. I like started digging in, so that's cooking with Isabella. I almost burnt them and then I like started smelling them, so I was like, I think they're dead. But that's cooking with Isabella. Me almost burning my house down. Me not knowing 2/4 and half a cup. I mean 1/4 and half a cup. But it's okay. It's okay. Right? So these are my brownies. Let me grab. These are my motherfucking brownies with my fork. No, y'all, like I'm really about to eat these like by myself. I would do a mukbang, but my Oreos all motherfuckers, so catch me being on, what's that show called? Big Cake Boss? No. That's definitely not it. I don't know, but I'll see y'all later with my motherfucking brownie. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment down below what else I should attempt cooking, because I'm not a cooker. But see y'all next week.